story, The 10 Crystals, Part 2. Stacy. Everyone, listen to me carefully. This training is going to be of 2 days. On the first day, you will be taught about your powers, their, how to control them, and if you fail the first day course, you will be replaced. On the second day course, you will be taught about teamwork and which two elements are best teams ideally. Tomorrow at 8 am, your training will be started. I won't hesitate to bring you here, even if you were sleeping. I request you all to be ready by 8. Thank you. The next day, on call. Bex. Oh my god, we all three got selected. I'm so happy. Kara. Yeah, I was I was so excited for meeting you guys after this. Kirsty. I didn't expect you to will also be there. You can't imagine how shocked I was at that moment. Bex. Guys, volume down. Somebody will hear us. On the training day, everyone was ready but nervous and excited at the same time. Everyone was at the hall by 8. Then, everyone was given their elements. And after they were given the elements, they started doing their practices. Let's see what Space Crystal is doing. Well, he is able to throw invisible shields, throw pressure balls. Overall, he is doing pretty good. Eros is equals to space. Now, let's take a look at Chris. Oops. Uh-oh. This is not doing good. He is able to pick things, but he has no control over its movement. What about air element? Let's see. He's doing pretty good. He can easily change direction of air through mini tornadoes as attack and defend by creating a shield. Now, let us check out the gravity element. Jordan is not doing bad. He just takes time to switch gravity measurements. But he's improving. Let us see what about water is going on. Water is doing fabulous job. She can throw ice balls and strong pressure water and even throw icy ice pointed spikes. Oh, and there is more. She can even defend with by creating a ice shield or a ice ball around herself. Let's check out fire element. Oh, fire is not doing a good job. She can only create shield. That means she is not able to attack until now. Okay, let's move on to the earth element. Cassidy is doing a tremendous job. She can throw huge rocks and stones, create a shield with stones, and throw sand at medium speed. Till now, we know that Bex and Chris well, are not doing well. If they don't improve, they will be replaced. It is Chris' turn to give the test. He has to pick up a stone as big as 1 kilometer and pick it. Then he has to lift 1150 crore kgs back for 5 minutes and throw that at the center of the board. If he fails even in one of these tasks, he will be replaced. He successfully completes first and second tasks. And now it's time for the hardest task. He takes a dart and throws it. Oh, and he finally made it. He passed the test and now it's Beck's turn. She's nervous. Her tasks are to burn plastic container in within 1 minute, create a shield with fire, and throw balls at center of 3 boards. She barely passed the first task. She had well command on shield, so she did it very quickly. Now the final task. She took the she took a moment, then she created a ball. She threw the ball with shaky hands, but she made it. She got two of them right. And the last one. And okay, she threw it. Oh no, she didn't hit the right spot. What will happen now? Will she be replaced? Or Miss Stacy will give her a second chance? Stay tuned to continue. To be continued in part 3.